find a comfortable position. Let your hands rest open and gently close your eyes. Just notice the sounds around you. Don't push them away. Let them be there. You don't need to change anything right now. Now bring your attention to your breath. Not the breath you think you should have. Just the breath that's already here. Breathe in and let it go. Again. Breathe in and release. Notice how the exhale always comes. No effort. Just release. Imagine you're standing at the edge of the ocean. It's early evening. The light is soft and golden. The sand beneath your feet is warm. The waves are moving slowly toward you. And pulling gently back. With each wave that comes in, breathe in. And as it pulls back, let something go. Maybe it's a worry you've been carrying. Maybe it's tension in your shoulders. Maybe it's a thought that keeps returning. Whatever it is, let the ocean take it. The ocean doesn't judge what you release. It simply holds it and carries it away. Breathe in with the wave. Release with the tide. Masakana. In and out. Notice how your body feels a little heavier, a little softer. This is what it feels like to let go. You are not your anxiety. You are not your thoughts. You are the awareness. That notices them. The waves keep coming. And the waves keep going. and you remain. Breathe in. Let go. With each breath, you release a little more. There is nothing you need to hold on to right now. You are safe. You are held. Vasya. You are here. Take one more deep breath in. Masama. Hold it gently and release everything. Mastatya. When you're ready, begin to bring your awareness back. Makwasa. Feel the weight of your body, the temperature of the air, the sounds around you. Slowly. When you're ready, open your eyes. Carry this stillness with you. It's always here, waiting for you to return.